Hello and welcome back, traders and investors. I am Priti Sudha Sharma. I welcome all of you to Indian Stock Market by PC Sharma. I am Priti Sudha Sharma once again here to help you, to guide you and support you through the stock market journey. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So in the beginning of the video, I'm going to talk to you about the Nifty. So this is a basic index of our stock market. Everyone knows about it, and we should know a bit more about Nifty. So I'm going to talk about few important points regarding that. So let's get to the slide. So we all have been aware of the Nifty indexes. The high have been 14753.55, the low have been 7511.10, and the current level at which the Nifty is moving is 13634.6, and I believe that it may take a support at 13131. Also, Nifty may have an exponential moving average level crossover from the technical point of view. So this is my personal assumption out there. Also, tomorrow is a big day for our economy, you can say, because the finance budget is going to be placed tomorrow, and I really hope there are a few major changes that can come up, and it will help boost the economy, as well as it will help to recover from the losses that has happened or occurred in the last year. So I really hope that it will give a positive vibe to the economy, and I really hope that the stock market also get a good influence from the budget. So this is our second video in the channel, and in the first video we have talked about Biocon as a share, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about a few large cap companies that you might look into, and it will help you to grow your funds. And I really feel that these shares are quite dependable ones. So without any further ado, let's see what the shares are. So let's go to the slides. So let's talk about today's recommendations, and today's recommendations are in large caps. Firstly, Reliance Industries, which was high at 2369. The current price is 1841. The company's profit in last quarter was 12.5%. 3-year CAGR profit was 12.64%, and I strongly recommend to buy it at 1610 level with a stop loss of 1548. Reliance Industries has been a huge gainer in last few years. Next is Asian Paints with a high of 2873. Current price is 2407. 3-year CAGR profit is 11.6%, and my recommendation is to buy at 2245 level with a stop loss of 2180 level. Asian Paints have been a big company in the paints market. So let's move in to the next share for now. So my next recommendation would be Bajaj Auto, which was high at 4210, and the current price is 4005. The company's net profit has been 1716 crore in the last quarter results, so it's quite huge, and I am suggesting it to buy it at 3690 level, and the stop loss should be 3600 level, and I strongly feel that this share is going to do great. Next, from the previous video, I would recommend Biocon with the levels of buy and stop loss. If you want to know more, make sure to check out the previous video as well. So in the previous video, I have talked about Biocon in more details. If you want to really know about Biocon, then you must check out our previous video, as well as we'll give more such updates in our future videos. So make sure you subscribe to our channel for more such updates, and also if you want more detailed information about different segments of the market, you can subscribe to our e-newspaper, which is available both on daily and weekly basis. You can subscribe to either of them. For more details on that, you can contact us via our WhatsApp number, which is given down there, and also in the description box for more details. So I really hope that I have helped you quite a lot by this video. If you have any doubts, feedbacks, or anything you want to ask, you can definitely feel free to ask us via our comment section. If you want, you can also WhatsApp us. We'll try to help you out in that case. And if you want to know more about our subscription policies, you can definitely WhatsApp us. Also, if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also share it with your friends, families, colleagues, anyone you want, and definitely join us with our family with Indian Stock Market by PC Sharma. I am Preeti Sudha Sharma signing off for today and hope to meet you in next video on Wednesday. To never miss an update, make sure you press that red subscribe button down there, and also make sure to press that bell icon to get the notifications about the upcoming videos. So let's see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.